Six colors, and we're going to pick 3 markers, and we have to mix them into our slime. So let me show you mine.
P.S. My channel is horrible.
It's great. Okay, so
She sort of has like one that's like a Milky Way.
yeah, Milky Way brown slime. I am not disappointed because, I mean, it's pretty good. But in the camera, it looks pretty disgusting, so. Next up,
Mine is like a pinkish color. Can't really see it. It looks white in the camera, but it's like a pink color.
so, we have, today, we are collabing with blue, yellow,
You can see orange,
pink,
brown,
and gray. The bad colors are gray, brown, and
blue.
blue.
Because they're dark colors. And these are like the sunset.
Okay, so let's get on to the video.
Blindfold
Let's go on to
yourself and then mix up the markers. And mix it up. And pick
Okay.
3 colors.
1,
2,
where's, I feel
3. No, the 3.
3. Well, I didn't pick 3 colors. Open. Ooh, I actually love my colors.
I got 2 good ones and 1 wrong.
I got 2 bad ones and a good one, but I consider blue is a good one for me. So.
Yeah, blue is good. It's just dark. I got brown. I got orange, like I really wanted, and I got pink.
I got blue. I got yellow. And I got gray. I already added 3 dots to my slime of gray, so now time yellow. 1, 2, 3. Don't mix it yet. You gotta show the camera when you're done. Okay, so now add some blue. Okay.
And I have
Here is my colors. What do you think it's gonna turn out? Comment down below what you think it's gonna turn out. I think it's still gonna turn blue. I mean, brown. I don't know.
Mine is super
Now,
good.
this is my Kayla's.
It's like I stretched mine out. That you can't really see the colors. There you go. That's good.
Oh, that's
Okay, time to mix.
time to mix. We'll show you the results in a second. 3, 2, 1. So I have a brown one. It still looks pretty disgusting in the camera, but it still turned brown after all the colors.
Mine is sort of like an orangish pink. On your screen on the camera, it doesn't look like orangish pink, but it is orangish pink.
I will add to that. Okay. So, well, I'm just going to pack up my slime real quick. And thank you so guys for watching. Hope you enjoy. And hashtag